6 divided by 1 by 6 times 6. Many fail to solve this simple math, but try to solve your own and comment your answer to get featured in the shortcut list. I will give a shortcut here, whatever your answer will be. We will solve with help of PEMDAS. Okay, so 6 divided by 1 by 6 times 6, 6 times 1, 6 times 1, and 6 divided by 1, which equals to 6. Then right answer is 6. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer, because there is division and multiplication and both have the same priority. PEMDAS is actually written like this. We can write both have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve from left to right. So we will solve in a right way in our next step. So we will write here again our question: 6 divided by 1 by 6 times 6. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, as we know, we have to operate from left to right. So there is fraction. So we will use here KCF. KCF, keep, change, flip. We will keep 6 as it is, and this division will be changed into multiplication, and we will flip this 1 by 6 into 6 by 1 times 6, or we can simply say 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, now as we know, this is simple, nothing but what? This is a 6 cube, and we can simplify 6 times 6, that is equal to 36 times 6, and 36 times 6, which equals to 216. So here right answer is 216. And if you're seniors, then must check out this product link in the description. Like and subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.